All right, so here is my spreadsheet, and I want to start adding content to the cells. Now, when you do look at the table itself, I just tap once anywhere in the table, and you'll see where I tap because it'll highlight that cell. Up here in this upper area, I can change the number of columns I have just by holding my finger over that and see how I can drag it left or right. That will add the number of columns. If I want to add content to a cell, so I'm going to tap here on this cell. If you double tap into that cell, it will give you, it'll pull up your keyboard. Now the keyboard looks a little different here because right now I'm on this selection. The number 42 means that you're going to be working with inputting numbers. So dollars, percents. You could also do rankings with stars, check boxes. But here I'm just going to go in and put a number in place. I'm going to tap to a different cell to continue editing. And in this one, I'm just going to tap another number. And let's just add one more row here. So there we go. So you can add numerical values. You can use decimal points. You can use the next and have it move over one. If I tap on that, you see how it moves me over a cell there. If I hit this next button, it will move me down and return it. So those are some options when you're inputting. If I tap on this next icon here, because say I don't want to add specific numbers, I might want to go in and add some date and time or duration. So from here you have options of month, day, year, hour, minute, second, AM or PM, and you can tap right in those areas. If you just want to input text, you tap on the T, and here you'll see that it's just your regular keyboard. Now this next section here, it is a spreadsheet, so it has capabilities of adding formulas and functions. So from here, I could either, you hit the equal sign and then you start putting in your values, or I could tap on functions, and this will allow me to do some of the basic functions that you normally would expect to see in a spreadsheet program. So I'm just going to do sum, and I need to select the value of what I am going to do the sum. So there's those three numbers, so I'm just going to highlight and drag. And notice how it says equal sign sum B2 through B4. I could just release that, hit the little check over here on this side, and I've now inserted a formula directly into my spreadsheet.